What up with it, Q hollering at you. Today, quick little video. See what we got in here. Now these, I don't know which pair. I got a few coming in right now. But I just peeled it open. We got the black and red box, so this must be the 12. 12, size 12. These are, well, what's the official colorway? Official colorway is white, university blue, Bronx blue, Carolina. Alright, anyway. Boom. These are also known affectionately as the Melo 12s. Or at least some people call them that. Come on, man. Come on, man. Straight fire. So first, let's start at the bottom. You bust out the other one. We'll just sit it down in the background. These are clean. I don't even know when I'm gonna put these on. I don't even know when I'm gonna, I don't even know. They so clean. White shoes, I have a hard time wearing out. I ain't gonna lie. I do, but man, it's just like one little mark and it just stands out so crazy. I need to find me a good shoe cleaner. Anyway, start off at the bottom. We got the white Jumpman logo right here. 23, a little touch right there in black. Then of course you got the black and blue carbon fiber innards. I don't even know what you would call these, ribs. So you can hear that right there, good, high quality. Then you got the white in the middle, outlined by that beautiful baby blue. More white at the bottom. Beautiful bottom of a shoe. They really be designing the mess out of the bottom of a lot of these shoes. And I guess we do look at them, but for the most part, this just gonna be on the ground. This was giving you support and everything, but it is pretty cool thinking about how much effort and energy goes into the part that's gonna be like this 95% of the time. Now let's go to the back. Got a Jumpman logo outlined in the gray box right here. Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest player ever, in white print right there. Jordan print right there, of course. 23 in white, all flanked by that beautiful blue. Good old leather upper, that's very nice. Snake skin right here on this portion. Little Jumpman print right there. Nice little subtle detail, of course, with the 12. I mean, we all know 12s. Come on, man. We know what's going on. Let's listen to that. Boom. Then we got the blue sole going all the way around. The main highlight. Bang. Or the main thing you notice. Then we got another blue Jumpman logo right here. TWO. And then a little 3 hidden right there. A lot of people don't even know about subtle details like the 3 right there, because a lot of times it's laced up. You ain't gonna pay attention. Let's see what color Jumpman we got on the insole. Baby blue insole, I'm assuming. Yep. And then we got that beautiful Jumpman logo in there as well. And I don't know if I'll be able to get it in focus. Let's see, let's try. There we go. Bring it a little bit closer. Maybe it'll do something for me. But yeah, nonetheless, you can see in there. You can see what's going on. You can see what's going on. White Jumpman logo, blue insole. Beautiful shoe, man. Classic silhouette. To me, these are some of the most comfortable Jordans out there to actually wear. They got the air bounce. I don't even remember what they called the technology initially when they dropped it, but it does have like a floaty feeling when you wear a lot of 12s. I really enjoy how comfortable these are. And actually hooping these, I got a black pair called the Legends, if I'm not mistaken. I wear those when I'm riding my motorcycle, and I can wear those all day, nice and comfortable. Nice good material on it, so when I'm shifting gears on my bike, it don't cause too much damage on the actual shoe. Of course, for those that are sneakerheads that ride motorcycles, a lot of time people might get a sock or something like that and roll it on top of their shoe right here, a guard. Of course, you should be wearing like motorcycle boots or protected safety sneakers or something like that. But a lot of times, brothers on our bikes, we're gonna have the J's on. But that's a nice little hack. You just roll like a pair or two of socks on there so you don't get your the top of your shoe dirty when you shifting gears on your motorcycle. But yeah, these straight flames. I don't know when I'm gonna put these on. It might be a while. I got my in this same exact color. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on right here? I see a little dirt, like somebody didn't try my Jones on or something. Come on now. Look, right here too. I see a little something now. But anyway, like I was saying, yeah, like this one didn't been on. Come on now. Look at this line right here. Hold up. Look, that one ain't got that same line. Man, somebody done put one of my doggone shoes on or something. And then this little piece right here. What is this? What's going on? Anyway, still in good enough shape where I ain't tripping for real. But yeah, I got a pair of 11s. Exact same colorway, basically. White with baby blue trim on it. I think I wore those 2 times so far, because I do wear my shoes, I do. But the white ones, for sure, I only put on for special occasions when I ain't gonna be around my kids, where they just gonna step on my shoes or do something crazy. But anyway, let me know what y'all think about these joints down in the comment section below. Did you get you a pair? You rocking with them or nah? Let me know. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. It's been your boy Q hollering at you. Until next time, peace. These joints are clean, bruh. Straight fire.